Hi guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these pink lemonade nails. So for this look, I'm using LongHairPrettyNails Rose Pink and Clear Acrylic, along with this yellow acrylic from Mia's Secret, and this is color Citrus. And I'll also be using this angel glitter, which is available on my website. Link will be down below. Alright, so these are the stiletto tips that I'm using today. They're from BU and they are the natural long stiletto tips. I got these from Amazon and I've already, picked out the sizes that I need. So I'm going to glue them on using the IBD brush on nail glue. So once all the nails are on, I went ahead and prepped and applied my dehydrator, and now I'm going in with the No Lift Nails primer. Alright, so now I'm starting off with a thin layer of clear. I just like to put this down because it just makes the application smoother in my opinion. And now I'm going in with that yellow color from Mia's Secret, and I'm going to apply that on the tip and just blend that on the nail bed area some, and then take it all the way down the nail just to create a nice ombre. So for my nail bed area, I'm going to use the rose pink, and I'm just applying that and trying to blend that really nicely with the yellow. So I'll just be going back and forth between the colors. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing for my ring fingernail. So I did this set on my live stream. I have a link to that down below, but one of my subscribers requested me to do the opposite ombre. So starting with the yellow at the nail bed area and blending into the rose pink at the tip. So I was like, okay, sure, I'll go ahead and do that. This was a bit difficult because the yellow was a little bit hard to kind of blend. So I had to do a lot of back and forth, but I think it turned out nice. Alright, so once the acrylic has set, I just went ahead and encapsulate the nails with the clear acrylic. So for my ring fingernail, I decided I wanted to do some glitter. So I applied the angel glitter and, kind of did that in like a little swirl down the nail. And I'm just gonna let this dry and move on to the next nail, and I'll be back to encapsulate this. So after encapsulating all of the nails and waiting for the acrylic to set, I went ahead and did my shaping and filing. So these are my nails after they've been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going to apply a large bead of clear acrylic, and I'm going to adhere these large stones. I do have links to these, but I got these from GearBest. And once I like the placement of all of that, I'm just going to go in with a combination of the Poochie Snails Bling Gel and the Poochie Snails Super Shine Gel Top Coat and apply that to my nail, starting with the Bling Gel first. And then putting the Poochie's top coat over that. And that is my favorite combination at adhering my stones. So yeah, so I'll just go in and apply these iridescent crystals. These crystals are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. Next, I'm applying the Poochie Snails Super Shine Gel Top Coat to the rest of the nails. And this is my favorite part. I just love how this top coat gives the nails life. The glitter comes to life. It's just amazing. And before I cure, I'm going to apply some cuticle crystals on the index fingernail. So after curing for 60 seconds, and then I'm applying the cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I love this pink lemonade design. It is so cute and it is so perfect for summer. I just love how these nails turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to LongHairPrettyNails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you in my next one.